Hey guys, so I've suffered an FRM module failure on the truck. You can see behind me, no angel eyes, no side markers. Headlights are always on. I guess it's what it defaults to. No angel eyes, no side markers, but tail lights are working and the brake lights do work. The other thing that you'll notice is no power windows on the switches don't work, the mirrors don't work. But what's really neat about it, the power locks, like the locking mechanism won't work. Oh, it did work, sorry. But the hazards don't work. There's no, you don't have any signal lights. This unit really doesn't work. It'll control what you see in there. I'm not getting the display right now because the car was off, but no headlights. There's no dong, no nothing. You can't control anything. Fog lights. See on the dash, the fog lights don't come up. But some weird reason, the back windows work. Odd, eh? What else isn't working? So you have no dash lights at night. You can't see the dash at all. But I have the speed added in here. So there you see it there. Oh, sorry. You can see the speed is in there, so I can see it at night. But with the Android display, I also have that that shows the speed, and then you can go into dashboard, and so I can see everything at night. I can see the speed and the RPM and stuff like that. Anyway, so today we're gonna pull the FRM module out, which is supposed to be right behind here. So there's a screw right in the center here of the hood release, and then behind that there's a screw there, and we pull this out, but not before. Oh, that's my cover for the OBD2. We'll take this panel down. There's 1, 2, 3 screws in that panel. Drop it down, unscrew this, unscrew this panel. We'll pull that panel out, and the FRM module is in behind here, and we'll try and get that out. We'll see how easy it is. So I'll light this up and hopefully get some good video for you. And hopefully you can see a little bit of what I'm doing. So you've got in the back there, can you see? So you've got a light you have to unplug here. There's another one back here. Doesn't really want to come in, does it? Cool. And just pull that up a bit. I'm going to pull that down. And there should be FRM module. So you got these regular BMW clips. Can undo the clip. And it's the same in the back. It's one right in the back. Oh, you're looking at me. So right on the front here is this clip here. Typical BMW clip. It goes in the back there. Then there's two more on the back of it. And there's a bolt under there, and there's one on the top. So the bolt in the back there, just at the bottom, I think it's just plastic, but it's 10 mil, and there's another one up at the top. This little back box that's here, that's part of the remote start for the truck, this thing here. So that's one of the bolts that holds the FRM in place, and it is plastic. And it's, yeah, you can see it's just a plastic tab, basically. Well, it screws on like a bolt. It's 10 millimeter. Okay, so with a little finagling, so that's the front clip. It's right here. And then you have two bigger clips on the back of it. A bit of a pain to get at to. It's a tight area. If it was colder or warmer, sorry, I probably would have done more to remove some of this stuff. So we're gonna take this and send it to a friend who's going to see if it can be repaired. So we're just gonna see if the truck can be started without the FRM module in, and what results we get. Well, definitely getting the service light now. The radio works. So we'll check out whether the headlights are working, tail lights are working, stuff like that. The displays still work down here. The heated steering wheel still works. The heated seats still work. Stuff like that. No power windows. Let's go to the back and see. Oh, it still works. Okay, so I'm guessing the symptoms will be exactly the same. Well, no tail lights whatsoever. And no headlights at all. Without the module in place. Vehicle info. Status. All systems okay. See that? All systems okay. House with the FRM from my 2010 E70 BMW X5, and they come apart pretty easy. Just there's 4 clips on the sides here. The little ones are a little bit tougher to get at with one hand. I seem to have trouble with this one for some reason. There we go. And then the cover just comes right off. And then you're left with it. Now, for me, I can't really see anything obvious that's an issue with them. And I honestly don't know what tends to be the problem, whether it's the main chip or one of these other ones, or but anyway, it looks good. I pulled this out to see if I could run the car without it, if I would have headlights and brake lights, but unfortunately, as soon as I pulled this out, I lost the headlights and the brake lights, which makes the car undrivable. So I was kind of hoping to send this out, have it repaired, and then back. But I'll have to check on what the timeline is, how long it would take to do this with the guy, and if it's going to take too long, because it's Christmas and I need the car, I'll just put this back in, and I guess I'll either wait till well after Christmas when I have time for the truck to be not utilized, and do it then,